let's learn how to stitch a running stitch. This is a really simple but really useful stitch for embroidery, and you can also use it in dressmaking as well. So here I've got 3 strands of embroidery floss. I've tied a knot in the end and just trimmed off the excess. So I'm going to come up through the fabric, and then we're going to use the sewing method to stitch this stitch, which is where we do all of the stitching on the surface rather than going all the way through and then back. You can do a running stitch like that if you prefer, but this is the best way to do it using the sewing method. So I want to decide on how long my stitch is going to be. I'm going to take the needle through the fabric a little way along and then bring it back through like that. So you can see that the gap here is the same size as the distance between where I first came up, where my working thread is, and where I've come down and up through the fabric. So if I pull that through, oops, there we go. You see, you get a stitch and a gap the same length. So then we just need to continue doing that along the line to be stitched. So go down, come back up through a little way along, heading in that same direction, and pull. Do it one more time. So we're going to create a stitch the same size here. Just go down a little way, back up, and through. Whoops, there we go. Move my working thread out of the way, and then you can see there's a running stitch.